This is a download of Farming Today from the BBC. The presenter today, Anna Hill.
Good morning. Could fears about a food trade deal with the USA be misplaced? The head of the Farmers Union in America tells us they want a very different approach to the tough-talking Trump administration. First, though, milk is an excellent source of calcium, but does it also provide beneficial fatty acids such as omega-3? All this week we're focusing on the dairy industry, and a study is currently underway across Wales looking at whether a cow's diet affects the levels of omega-3 in their milk. Well, some farmers are hoping milk with more omega-3 could be sold for a premium. Marie-Claire Carey-Jones has been to one of the farms taking part in the trial, where she met farmer Tom Harris.
We're an organic dairy farm. We milk about 330 cows. In the current climate where dairy and meat is under some pressure from other lobbies, it's vital for the consumer to know that there's health benefits out of our product as well.
If it does show that there is high omega-3 levels in your milk, what would be the next steps for you as a farm?
I think there's ways and means of changing the diet to increase omega-3 levels in milk. Certainly something we should look at, and probably to use that information to market the milk and to let the consumer know that, you know, grass-fed and organic milk really is a healthy option for them.
So Kirsten, we've now come into the parlour, and this is where you're taking the samples for the project. Talk us through what you do.
So I take a milk sample from the bulk tank, and then I get a grass sample or a silage sample from what the cows have been eating, so we can try and see if there's a link between their feed and what goes into the milk. And then I just have to pop it in the fridge and put the grass in the freezer, and then stick it in an envelope and send it off for the postman. So easy.
The project is being funded by the European Innovation Partnership, known as EIP.
Hello, my name's Owen Rowlands and I'm EIP Wales officer. There's been some research on how you can increase the omega-3 levels in the milk, but that's by adding supplements into the feed. So this project is just looking to see if there's a high enough levels of omega-3 just off grass alone. There's 20 farms in this project. What we're hoping to find is that the omega-3 levels will be higher in the forage-based systems.
The results of the project aren't expected until next summer, but in the meantime, Tom is keeping his fingers crossed.
I think the big picture really is that if we can show significant health benefits of milk in the consumer's diet, that we can increase consumption, which would increase sales, obviously, of our milk.
Farmer Tom Harris there will be pleased to hear that organic dairy products are just one of the areas showing a growth in sales.